Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 22. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It is earlier in the day, but I'm going to finish wrapping some of the Christmas presents that my sister bought me for my niece, and then one of the gifts that I bought for my mom. It's her boots, but I don't know where the presents are. Who stole the presents? Oh, they're right here. I'm going to wrap my little niece's gift with her Peppa Pig, and then I will wrap these. These are so cute. I will wrap those with my mom's gift. Last year when I wrapped the Christmas presents, I did them on my bed, and I wrapped them on my bed, and I accidentally cut my sheets with the scissors. So now I'm just gonna do it on the floor. I'm going to do this little one here. Christmas. Alright, that's not straight. I didn't cut this one straight, but it's okay. She's 5, she doesn't care. Hey guys, so it is much later. Ooh, you guys. I have like so much that I need to wash. I'm gonna wash my clothes. I'm gonna start separating my clothes, but it's usually like socks, pajamas, leggings. It's not a lot. I can't believe tomorrow is already Christmas Eve. You guys, I do not know what day I live in, to be honest with you guys. You guys, I don't even know what day it is. When I don't go to work and like my mind is not busy, I forget what day it is. And I didn't even know when it was Christmas or all of that stuff. So I still thought I had a couple days, but that's what happens to me when I don't go to work and I forget what day it is. I don't like folding clothes, that's the thing. But you know what, I'm just gonna fold clothes and like watch some YouTube videos. But yeah, I mean, I'm not really doing anything much for Christmas. I'm just going to stay at home with my family and we're gonna eat some tamales, and my mom is making tamales de puerco, which are the red ones, and then tamales de dulce, which I like those. They're really good. And my mom's making, what's that one? Birria de chivo. It's the dry one, so that's what she's making as well. It's not the juicy birria where you eat it with like beans and rice and tortillas. It's like the dry one where you can like eat it with the tortilla, and you can eat it with like salsa and pico de gallo and all that stuff. But it's really good. I haven't had that in a while. I only have that usually when it's like a holiday or like Christmas or New Year's Eve. I don't remember if I had that last year for New Year's Eve. I don't remember what I had for New Year's Eve last year. I really didn't do anything productive today. I just ate some breakfast, cleaned the kitchen, wrapped some gifts, and that's about it. I really didn't do much. I didn't read my book today, but I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. My battery is about to die. Love you guys. Okay. Hope this thing doesn't fall. I hope this thing doesn't fall. But anyways, I just need to put all of the clothes in the dryer. I am putting you guys on this tall, dry clothes that's like really tall, and it's not really the best. So if you guys fall and you guys break, this might be the end. We're watching the news right now, and I don't really watch the news, but it's getting crazy with this ovarian. No, not ovarian. Wait, is it ovarian? Omicron. This Omicron thing coming out. It's like crazy, and I'm like, so many people are out of like the state traveling because of the holidays. So I'm like, I hope this is not another redo or like back to square one when COVID started. So I hope this, I don't know, but I feel I see it already coming. we're gonna be quarantining again, and it sucks. I hope not, but there's so many people getting sick. I am going to make myself an eggnog with jello. I don't know if you guys do that as well, but I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have a cup. I already have my jello open. And then I just saw the ingredients and it says it has milk, so I'm not going to add a lot. I'm just going to add a little bit of eggnog. I haven't had eggnog in forever, since I was in Mexico, like I'd say maybe 6 years ago, and my aunt gave me eggnog, but it had like tequila in there. It did not taste good. It's alright. It's not the best thing ever, but it's alright. Guys, I am done washing my clothes, but I'm so dumb. I thought I had turned on the dryer, and when I went to go check on my clothes to see if it was already dry, like an hour later, I forgot to turn it on, and I felt so dumb. So anyways, I didn't have enough clothes to make full load, so I had to get some for my mom's. But right now she is just preparing the meat for the tamales. I will show you guys tomorrow what I will be doing, such as like helping to make tamales and eating them, of course, which I cannot wait. But again, I really didn't do much today. I don't want to film myself reading or like watching TikTok videos or anything like that. Like that would be kind of dumb of me, just sitting down and not really engaging with you guys, if that kind of makes sense. That's why I don't have a lot of video footage for you guys. Yeah, so I am just going to end the vlog here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with more videos, and I will catch up with you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.